Hey friends, this is a test to see if I can prevent our videos from flipping sideways, because I know that is frustrating when you're trying to follow along with my video and all of a sudden the image is sideways. I wanted to take this opportunity to show you how to use a place value flag to help you multiply and divide by powers of 10. Now, I'm planning on sending home these place value flags with your parents soon, but you can also make your own really easily, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to cut a strip of paper, and I just cut about an inch off of the top of a plain white sheet of paper. You could use lined paper, it really doesn't matter. And then I'm going to make place value columns, and I'm just going to copy this template that I already have. So let's see. I'm gonna label it tens, ones, spot for my decimal point, tenths, and then hundredths and thousandths. If I can, hopefully I can fit it in. Hundredths and thousandths. Okay. Then I'm going to take this popsicle stick, and if you don't have a popsicle stick, you can do this without a popsicle stick. You don't need that. It just makes it a little more easy to move around. Maybe I'll do it without the popsicle stick to start with. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this number, which is 3 thousandths, by 10 to the third power. So let me write that down. That's my problem that I'm solving. 3 thousandths times 10 to the third power. We talked about what the value of this number is at the beginning of the year, but let me just refresh your memory. That means that I'm going to take my 3 thousandths and multiply it by 10 times 10 times 10. So you need to know what the value of that is. Haven't done anything with my 3 thousandths yet. 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 10 is 1,000. Okay, so I've got 3 clues here telling me how many spots I'm going to need to move my place value flag. I've got my exponent 3, I've got 3 zeros in my expression down below here, and I've got 3 zeros in the number 1,000. So that means I'm going to move my place value flag 3 spots. Since I'm multiplying, I want my number to be bigger, so that means I'm going to move everything 3 spots to the right. 1. So now my 0 is in my ones place, my next 0 is in my tenths place, and my 3 is in the hundredths place. That's multiplying it by 10. Now I'm going to move everything over another spot, so that's multiplying it by 10 again. So now my 0 is in the tens place, 0 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tenths place, and then I'm going to multiply it by one last 10, so I'm going to move my flag over one more spot. Now my 0 is in the tens place, 3 is in the ones place, and I have nothing in my tenths place. So I could put another 0 over on the other side of that as a placeholder. And if you don't have these number tiles, you can make your own number tiles really easily. Just take little pieces of paper and write your digits on them. Okay, we're going to be working on this in the next few weeks, so don't worry. Okay, so now my decimal point should be here. And my product for 3 thousandths times 10 to the third power is 3 wholes.